Hey everyone. So we are Sell Quick, Ship Quick.
I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Hugo. And here's a little introduction to how we run our business.
From photography and measurements to listing and cross-posting.
To shipping, to hard goods, a little bit of everything. You get to see who works in which department too. Enjoy. This is our photo department for clothing. So this is where we take our clothing pictures. And here we got one going on. So this is our listing department. This is our office, and this is where we get our listings up for Posh, Mercari, eBay, and Amazon. Some Etsy. But we got a listing going up now. This is our department for hard goods. This is where we take pictures of all our hard goods, our shoes, and our other smaller items, things like possibly socks or caps. We got pictures going on now. So this is our electronics department / shipping. So this is where we clean our electronics, my department, and shipping. As you can see, we got a wall full of shipping supplies. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that video and you got a glimpse of how we run our online reselling business. So remember to
hit the bell and subscribe and turn on those notifications and hit the thumbs up.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Well, if you enjoyed this video, and we hope you did, go ahead and
subscribe and turn on the little notifications so that you are aware when we